how would you define the word speech?
My name's Mick Feltham from Obelisk Productions, PKA Plobtron. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, which is basically a celebration of the independent writer-producer, sort of low-key, low-profile, and just in it for the beats. I started making this kind of music back in the 90s when I met super producer GW and started working with him on his K-Scope project, and we released a number of tracks, including tracks for LTJ Bookham's Earth and Cooking Records, sort of new jazz, down-tempo, British broken beat. And that kind of production is something that I've always been into. So I got a chance to get back in the studio and start making some new music. I turned my 1950s prefab garage into a little mix space. So as soon as I'd finished this lovely little space to work in, I got straight down to just making tracks that I wanted to make. My main focus was to finish everything that I started, and I think that is a really important message to get across to everyone, is that by finishing everything, first of all, you get that producer mindset of product is what you need, and secondly, whenever you come up against any kind of issue with a block in your producing, or you need to find a new way of doing things, if you work through them all time and time again, you end up with this little bag of tricks that you can always pull out should you be lacking inspiration in something, or you need to just push something forwards. So that's it really. That's my love of independent writer producing, and that's what this channel is, it's a share, because I think this industry has got the potential to be a really inclusive, diverse and equal industry, but what it needs is people to just forget the gatekeepers, forget that mainstream thing, and just make highly creative, individual, honest music in the style that you want to make, and share that with like-minded people and grow that community and take care of each other, support each other's music. So that's my dream, and that's what this is about, just basically me sharing my love of experimental hip-hop, beat culture, breakbeat, sampling, crate digging. Yeah, that's my thing, that's what I love, and that's what I'm going to keep on doing because it brings me joy. Whatever brings you joy, make it and share it. Okay, thanks for listening.